There are certain habits that are likely to predispose you into a heart attack during sleep, and that is what I would want to share with you in today's video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Usukojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Without wasting my time, let us look at these habits. The first one is late night eating. If you are one kind of person that likes eating heavy meal just before you sleep, that is likely to predispose you into a heart attack. This is how it happens. Once you eat, your body tries to redirect a lot of blood to your digestive system, and it is the heart that is pumping the blood. At some point, if the pressure on your heart is too high, that puts a lot of strain on your heart and is likely to predispose you into a heart attack. The second thing is neglecting sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a condition where most of the time your breathing stops and starts at some point in time, leading to you having snoring and sometimes difficulty in breathing during sleep. So if you are one kind of person that during sleep you snore a lot and sometimes your breathing stops and starts at some point in time, it's likely that you are having sleep apnea. You need to consult your medical doctor for possible management. The third thing is neglecting your BP medications. If you're one kind of person who have been diagnosed with high blood pressure and due medications have been prescribed to you, it is advisable not to neglect your BP medications. This is because when you take your BP medication before you sleep, it reduces your blood pressure, reducing the strain on your heart to pump a lot of blood to meet your body's demand. The fourth thing is poor sleep hygiene. When you stay active throughout the night, always your heart is constantly pumping to meet your body's demand. Also, your brain is in active mode. So that predisposes you into heart attack because your heart will be pumping too much in order to meet your body's demand. So you need to regulate the amount of sleep you have. If you're one kind of person that do not sleep at all, or you have limited amount of sleep, you should have an adequate sleep in order to improve your body's function. If you find this video helpful, feel free subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video and then share this video to many people.